You're holding $100, maybe $200. It's not enough for long-term stock investing. Real estate? Out of the question. But you still want to do something. You're looking for an opportunity, a skill that could generate income, a more flexible path. So you start exploring Forex, scrolling through brokers, watching videos, figuring out how to fund your account. But after just a few hours, you start feeling overwhelmed. Too many brokers. Some have low fees, but crazy spreads. Some offer high leverage, but have scam warnings. Others are legit, but require a $1,000 minimum deposit. And you start wondering, is it even worth starting with such a small amount? The answer is yes, but only if you choose the right broker, the right strategy, and test things the right way. That's exactly what I'll share with you in this video. Why do beginners lose money in Forex? I've seen so many beginners blow through their first $100 in just a few trades. Not because they're not smart, not because they didn't try to learn, but for one simple reason. They picked the wrong broker right from the start. Many brokers run flashy ads, attractive bonuses, copy trading features, slick-looking apps. But behind those banners, wildly widening spreads during news events, unreasonably high swaps, withdrawals taking 2-3 days. Worst of all, execution delays that make you enter late, exit slower. With only $100 in your account, those minor issues can eat up your entire capital within hours. How to pick the right broker for a small account. If you don't want to deposit money only to lose it, remember these 4 criteria. 1. Low and stable spreads. If you lose 5-7 pips every trade, even perfect analysis won't help you make profits. 2. Flexible leverage. Minimum 500. Small accounts need leverage to grow, but not so much that it gets out of control. 3. Fast, simple deposits, withdrawals with support in your country. Whether you live in the US, Canada, or Vietnam, check if the payment methods are smooth and supported. 4. Demo, cent, or bonus accounts available for testing. Never fund a real account unless you've tested the broker using demo or small capital first. And yes, I'm saying this twice, because it matters. Top 3 brokers for small accounts. Depending on your trading style and needs, different brokers will suit different people. Here are 3 I personally recommend if you're starting with a small budget. Broker hash 1. Exness. If you want speed, low spreads, and lightning-fast withdrawals, this is the top choice. Raw spread accounts, starting at just 0.1 pip. Nearly unlimited leverage. Cent account available for realistic testing. Near instant withdrawals, even on weekends ideal for fast traders, scalpers, EA users, or anyone testing real strategies with minimal risk. Broker hash 2, HFM, formerly Hot Forex. If you're still new and hesitant to deposit much, HFM is a solid starting point. Micro account, starting from just $5. Some countries get a $50 no deposit bonus. User-friendly interface and responsive support. Spreads are not the lowest, but stable and fair best for beginners who want to get used to the market without risking a lot of capital. Broker hash 3, IC markets. If you already have knowledge and want to trade seriously for the long term, this is one of the best ECN brokers. True STP model with ultra-fast execution, low spreads on most major pairs, strong support for US and EU traders, perfect for higher volume professional level trading, meant for those who are serious and plan to stay in Forex long term. Before you fund your account, test it right. Before clicking that deposit button, I highly recommend doing these 4 things. Open a demo account to test the platform, execution speed, and spread. If a cent account is available, try funding $5 to test the real environment. Trade EAR, USD, or gold to see if spreads remain stable. Check swap rates, commissions, and withdrawal fees. Don't get surprised after placing trades. Just 30-60 minutes of proper testing can save you hundreds of dollars later. Conclusion. A good broker won't make you rich overnight, but a bad one can wipe you out in a few trades. So if you're starting with a small budget, don't rush. Choose wisely, test thoroughly, take it step by step. If you're still torn between 2 brokers or unsure which one fits you best, leave a comment below. I'll personally reply and recommend based on my own experience.